Hello everyone, I'm Kelly Boswell, private jet broker at the Aviation Factory, and today I'm going to introduce you to this beautiful and popular jet, the Citation CJ2+. As a member of the Citation family, it's an improved version of the old CJ1 and CJ2. Now let's take a look and see what makes this aircraft so unique. The CJ2 Plus is a newer version of the standard CJ2 with increased range and technological improvements. It can fly distances of up to 3,500 kilometers, which makes this aircraft an excellent choice for medium-range trips with up to 6 passengers, like a business meeting in London, a skiing trip in Sion, or a weekend getaway in sunny Saint-Tropez. The Citation CJ2 Plus has a larger cabin compared to its little sister, the CJ1. The cabin height is 1.45 m, not enough to have a stand-up cabin, but plenty enough to move around comfortably. It offers 6 to 7 comfortable seats, and each a table then can be folded in and out at your own convenience. Each seat can also be adjusted to your optimal comfort. On board the Citation CJ2 Plus, you can expect light catering and an open bar with refreshments that you have access to during the flight. You can have, for example, sandwiches, salads and fresh cut fruit. Bon appétit! The lavatory can be found in the back of the aircraft, with a toilet hidden under a 7th additional seat. A curtain can be used to close the lavatory for privacy. The aircraft has an external baggage compartment, offering plenty of room for each of passengers' belongings. It's big enough for ski or golf equipment. All in all, the Citation CJ2 Plus is an excellent choice for trips up to 6 passengers and distances to 3,500 kilometers. Just the perfect solution for shorter trips within Europe. Now just sit back, relax and enjoy your flight with the Aviation Factory.